10 Inspirational Red and Pink Houses. A house painted pink can seem feminine and playful, but darken the color and the pink becomes a dramatic shade of rose or coral. Add a touch of yellow, and the pink will turn a sunny shade of salmon or peach. This bright pink bungalow with dusty blue shutters might be out of place in New England, but it fits right into the Florida landscape. The flowering vegetation subdues the vibrant pink, as a covering of white snow might not. Color exists because of light. Why, then, do we ignore the sun when we choose our house paint colors? Reds and pinks will express themselves differently as the sun shifts its light from full on to slightly shaded. Can your house take the changes? There are hundreds of coral species found in the world's oceans, writes marine life expert Jennifer Kennedy on coral reefs. Perhaps this is the reasoning behind the many shades of coral produced by paint manufacturers. Although not a traditional color for craftsman-style houses, the shocking pink siding on this quaint bungalow is an interesting contrast to the traditionally massive stonework in this arts and crafts house. You wouldn't want to paint a large house pink, but the cotton candy color gives fairy tale charm to this cozy Queen Anne cottage in Jackson, New Hampshire. The Art Deco homes and apartment houses of Miami Beach, Florida display every shade of rose colors, from pastel pinks and oranges to vibrant corals and reds. Regal salmon stucco siding on this neo-Mediterranean home suggests a sandy beach for the busy professionals who have little time to enjoy the ocean within reach of this Florida resort town. This 1920s-era dwelling is on what they call Bankers Row in Delray Beach, is a historic neighborhood built up by Americans of new wealth and status. Coral reefs come in many shapes and colors, from pinks to oranges. Coral colors are usually associated with tropical or southwestern architecture, but this Victorian home is in the snowy north. This particular shade of a vibrant rose is found throughout New England, including on this large home in downtown Salem, Massachusetts. With the surrounding fence painted the same color as the house, you would think that this hue would overtake the whole town, but it doesn't. Even without contrasting shutters and with modern storm windows, this rose-colored house is a breathtaking shade against the blue sky. Many people choose white for trim, windows, and the front porch when a rich red colors the wooden siding. Fewer people choose a different siding altogether for a front gable. White trim is the traditional contrast used with a barn red house, or barn. Are there any other colors that might complement this shade? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.